Okay, hold on here. All right, this is our morning ritual here. All right, where are we going?
To school!
Okay, what's your name?
Sloane Tarble.
Okay, and what's your name?
Eason Tarble.
And what's your name?
Mylynn Tarble.
All right, here we are. All right, we're ready to fire this show up. Yes. Our morning ritual.
I see you driving.
Yes, of course I am. All right, you guys okay there?
Yes.
All right. All right, are you ready? Here we go. We have to have some. Has to have some great music. Woo! All right.
Why you write this on the floor like that?
He said.
On top of that. He didn't sit for seatbelt.
Eason, you have your seatbelt on, right?
Yeah.
You want to sit up for me? Yes. Eason, you're going to sit up for me?
Nobody using muscle. Well, hold on to the seatbelt. Okay.
Are you ready?
I can't get it.
Fire it up here. Shoot, Eason. Okay, here we go. Alright, here we go. Sloane, leave that seat alone. Literally, I'm saying stop every 5 minutes.
Eason, why are you still right on? Look it up. Use the muscle. Let me see what that's.
Leave it alone, Sloane. Eason, sit up for me. Eason, sit up for me.
There you go.
Thank you. Appreciate that. Alright, you want this or you would like another song?
It's another song.
Alright, we're going to do our morning ritual.
Is that where you put the songs from?
Yes.
Song. Is that called Express, Daddy?
Let's see here. Okay, guys, let's see here.
That's over. Yay!
This 5-minute trip to school sometimes seems like 40 minutes. Here we go.
I think we're 14.
No, it feels like 40 minutes to me. It's less than 5 minutes for you guys.
Bye!
All right. All right, there we go. Cumbia.
Cumbia?
You ready to fire it up? Let's see here. Let's find a really good one. Fire one up. There we go. Eason, cut it out. That's Eason. Oh, wow. Eason, cut it out. C, no, no, no. C, no, 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 no. Mylynn, are you okay?
Yes.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Is Eason making a lot of noise? Eason, cut it out.
Why should I cover Eason's mouth?
I know, Eason, cut it out. Eason. Let's see here. Here we go. See, we're almost there. Seems like 5 minutes. It's 30 minutes for me. Okay, here we are. Sloane, sit up straight, please. There we go. We are here, amazingly. Sloane. Sloane, turn it up now. Come on. All right. And here we go, the morning attempt at doing this. So this is what I go through every morning, which is great. It's a very good process. Come on, Mylynn. Eason, Sloane, come on, unbuckle yourselves. Come on, Mylynn. Sloane, unbuckle yourself, please, on the other side. It's time to exit. All right, here we go. Come on, Eason. Come on this side. Eason, I said come on this side. Sloane, leave that alone. Oh, of course. Come on, Sloane. Let's go. Eason, what did I tell you? Hold on. Eason, Sloane. Okay. This is literally what I go through every morning. It's incredible. Come on. Okay, go ahead. All right. Come on, let's go. And so here they are, finally. Okay, you ready? What did you drop? What did you drop? What did you drop? Well, zip it up. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's be careful. Okay. Let's go. Mylynn? Let's go. Come on. Eason, Sloane. Let's go. Come on. Mylynn, come on. Okay, never leave Mylynn behind. Mylynn, go first. Okay. Okay. Wait, let's see what's going on with her knapsack. Let's go up here. Come on. Come on. Never leave her behind. Literally, this is okay. Okay, hold on. Hold on. Let's see first. Okay, let's close this one. Okay, decent. Okay, this little. Here we go. That's what this is. Sloane. Okay, guys, come on. Come on. Let's go. Sloane, where is Mylynn? Mylynn goes first. Mylynn, come on. Pick up the pace. Let's go. Eason, Sloane. Eason, Mylynn goes first. Eason, Mylynn always goes first. Mylynn, come on. You guys help her up there. Please help her up the steps. Sloane, wait. Come on, Mylynn. Okay, this becomes a really huge ritual. Mylynn, please take your first step. There we go. One step at a time. Wait, Mylynn. Wait. There you go. Come on. There you go. Come on, you can do it. Let's fire this show up. Okay, wait. Always wait for your sister. Always, always, always leave no one behind. Okay, come on. There you go. All right, there we go. All right, come on through, please. Come on around. Hi, good morning. How are you? All right, good morning. All right. And that's it.